Hello, in this video I just wanted to talk briefly about what Pandas is. Pandas is just a panda. However, in Python, it's a software package or library that was created by Wes McKinney in 11th of January 2008. It became the most powerful and flexible open source data analysis and manipulation tool. Essentially, it's built on top of NumPy, which is another library or package, and it also works well with scikit-learn for machine learning. Here you see an image showing NumPy in Python and how scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Pandas, and Matplotlib all interact with NumPy. Here on the right, you see the various levels of Python and packages associated with it. You see on the first level, NumPy is obviously associated with Python. Second level is Pandas, Matplotlib, and Voco. So again, NumPy and Pandas would work well together since they're on corresponding levels. So like I said, Pandas is a software and a package written in Python. It's normally used for data manipulation, analysis, create data structures and operations, and can manipulate, transform, and also plot data structures. One thing you may not know, it could merge and join data structures, which is very similar to SQL. And it also could make time series models and frequency conversions. So Pandas is very versatile in your day-to-day data science work. So what is the difference between Pandas and NumPy and when you should use either or? You should use NumPy when you want to calculate with arrays or matrices and some kind of data NumPy array. However, NumPy is a lot more memory efficient. It's better for data sets to have 50K rows or less. When you use Panda is for tabular data, such as a column and each row corresponding to that column. And for data cleaning and analysis, since there's so many tools associated with it. However, it consumes a lot more memory. So essentially, you can use more than 500,000 rows or more. So that was my brief tutorial on Pandas. I hope you enjoyed it.